Hi everyone and welcome to the first video of July. How are you today? I am fine. Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you some information about vowel sounds in English. A very interesting topic. Why? Well, because in English we have 5 letters, 5 vowels, but we have more than one sound for each of them. Did you know that? Sounds interesting. Yes, it is. Why? Well, because it's not the same in Spanish. We have 5 vowels, 5 letters, A, E, I, O, U. But we have more than one sound for each of them. For example, letter A. Let's get started. Letter A. We have 3 sounds for letter A. We have R, long, happy, and short. Then we have letter E with 2 sounds, short, and Then we have letter I, E, long, and E, short. And then we have letter O, long, and short. And then we have letter U, long, and short. In this video, we're going to practice the first sound I mentioned. R, long, A, right? So, first of all, I will just produce the sound and you will repeat it. And pay attention to the movements of my mouth, right? Because that's the key. You should consider that when you practice pronunciation, especially vowel sounds, right? So, let's get started. Repeat. Ah. Ah. This sound is very common in British English, right? So, we should learn how to produce it because we use it all the time. And there are many words that contain this sound. In British English, of course, not in American English. I mean, it's not the same, right? But here in Argentina, most of I'll learn in British English. So I think it's very useful to know this sound. So I will repeat some words and you will repeat, right? And try to imitate the sound, the vowel sound. Let's get started. Park. Park. Dark. Dark. Answer. Answer. Bathroom. Bathroom. Laugh. Laugh. You see, we use these words a lot. So, bear in mind that this sound is very common in English and you should practice the production of it. Right? And I will upload other videos again with vowel sounds and you should practice, right? So you can improve your pronunciation a lot if you do the exercises, right? So I hope this video helped you a lot. Have a nice day. Bye bye.